everyone. The story I'm going to tell you is entitled The Fatal Girl, a Japanese folktale. A girl once lived in the province of Ichigo, who from her earliest years tended her parents with all filial piety. Her mother, when, after a long illness, she lay at the point of death, took out a mirror that she had for many years concealed. Now, what is it in the mirror that the mother of the girl concealed it for many years? Well, let's see what the real thought. The mother, the mother of the girl gave it to her daughter. Hope that when I have ceased to exist, take this mirror in these handlighted form, and looking at it, once that face I told you. With this last word, she expired, and the girl, full of grief and grateful to her mother's command, used to take out the mirror night and morning, and gazing in it, saw her in the face that is the face of her mother.
Si Aldo, talaga titingnan.
For the beauty situated in a remote country among the mountains, and the mirror was a thing the girl had never heard of.
Lakas mo boses mo.
Now, if you were the girl in the story, would you worship the mirror that your mother gave you on her deathbed?
Yes!
Her father one day, astonished to see her that occupied, inquired the reason, which she directly told him. But he burst out laughing and exclaimed, "Ha ha ha! Why, this only being own face, so like to thy mother. That is her method. It is not being mothered at all." Do you agree to what her father said?
No!
This revelation distressed the girl. Yet she replied, "Even if the face be not my mother's, it is the one of one who belongs to my mother. And therefore, my respectfully saluting it twice every day, the same as respectfully saluting her very self." And so, they continued